the way to the airport. Ken's taking us, and
Final ride on this beautiful.
Ito.
Saan?
This is the boulevard. Itong boulevard dito, mga squatter karamihan yan. Pero,
it's 10:45. The flight's due to leave at 1 o'clock, so we should be okay.
Yeah. This is like squatter area. But how clean it
Most
is.
of these are squatter. Alam mo itong bundok na ito, Lynn? That's Samal. Nakikita mo dyan yung green. Yung blue, that's Mati side na yan.
Just the other side of the fence there is the runway.
Ano galing sa inyo, Lynn? Para wala kayong problema, no? Ito kaya Singapore Airlines. Kasi from
Qantas?
Singapore kasi direct Davao.
Pero mahaba ang layover. Tagal.
Gano'ng matagal? Anong oras na yan?
Parang
Pero
10 hours or
you don't have to pass through Manila na
No, but
problema mo dyan.
mahal Ken at saka mas sorry.
Salamat.
Mahal Ken. Kami, kasi pareho lang naman ang ano namin ang
Ito magagalaw.
$30 seconds.
Kumuha ka na rito. Kumuha ka ng ano.
30 seconds.
What is? Oh, it's all right. We're not going to check it in. Yeah. Is there a seniors queue? Seniors? Senior. Oh. We're on the right track. Just have a bite to eat here before we board the plane. I think we've eaten here before on previous trips. Oh, here's my dear wife waiting for me. We're up on the departure level of Davao International Airport. Here's a quick scan of the lower level. Just had a coffee and a bite to eat, and we're just about to go through security. For some reason we're boarding across the runway. So, here we are leaving Davao after 2 and a bit lovely weeks. And we're already planning to come back next year.
Pomelo?
Pomelo's going on board.
Yeah. And see if there's durian. Okay. There's our bag.
Your bag's all right.
I think so. Come on.
Oh, you could do.
imagine if that happened, we were already
Yeah.
or just too close to them. Oh, Lord.
Okay, so we just had an aborted takeoff. There was a loud bang, which I initially thought was a tyre bursting, but the pilot announced a possible bird strike, so there was very heavy braking. The plane stopped well before the end of the runway, so there was no danger. Fire trucks were following the plane just in case, and we're now heading back to the terminal to check everything's okay before we proceed on our flight. Our flight's been cancelled, so we're just been told to come back downstairs and queue up again, probably to register for a different flight. Hopefully they'll get a replacement plane down here pretty quickly, but in the meantime there's quite a long queue of people waiting to rebook. Staff are busy trying to reallocate passengers to other flights. It's a very difficult time, very stressful time for them. We're lucky, we're in a seniors queue, so we're quite close to the front, and hopefully we'll be able to get on a later flight to Manila in time to catch the Qantas flight. If we can't, then we just stay here a few more days. Can't all. That's not bad. Now we're in the PAL office trying to get a refund, and then we'll work out which way we go back to Sydney, maybe via Hong Kong, maybe via Singapore. Just checking the flight. Singapore, there's no chance of getting out via Singapore, but Hong Kong is looking pretty good on Friday, the 8 p.m. flight out of Friday. Tonight, after the aborted takeoff, we're visiting Laramie restaurant. Looks good. Thank you, sir.
Careful.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Where are we? In here?
Yeah.
Thank you. Is that? Smells good. Right. No. Here's the osso buco. And it's more osso buco. Is it?
Yeah.
And what's this one? Steak of some sort. And some great salad.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
You want some salad?